So here's the situation that we got right here. We've got a potential control box shift cable issue. We're not sure exactly what. So this is a buddy of mine. He actually took the thing apart and exploded the control box everywhere. That's where all the stuff was thrown up onto the ground. So we're gonna go in here and we're gonna figure out exactly if he really needs a, I don't know how to click this thing. If he actually needs a control cable or if he needs a control box or what. So here's our cables. Usually on these cables are gonna be a label on them so we can tell how long they are. They're gonna be Gen 1. This is old 1990s stuff, but also if you look right here, you can see these knobby knobs right here on the control cables, and that's how you know if it's a Gen 1 or a Gen 2. But let's see what the situation is back here. Prop this up. That does not look too steady, so we're gonna go ahead and do one of these numbers. Put that in there so that way if it doesn't come down. And we'll come back here. And here's our cable right here going to the shifter. The throttle's right below it, but we're not too concerned about that. Well, actually, no, that's not the throttle. That's the shift that goes back to the actual outdrive. Let's see here. So we need to get a light and figure out how long this cable is to begin with. And then we also need to see if this cable, if that cable there is the problem. So we got a light on here, and we're just gonna follow this cable like 2 feet or so. So somewhere back in here, I'm gonna possibly see a label. Okay, there we go. Right there. So that's the label to the cable. Let's see what we got here. We got a CC17917, so it's a 17 footer from January 15th, 1995. Oh, that's great. I don't know what that was. Now we need to take this off, so got a pin here because we want to confirm if it's a cable or not, and at least make sure that it's not the cable going to the drive. So we're just going to take this little cotter pin out here. There we go. And then we'll slide this pin out to take this shift assist off of here. So that's going to be that. Pull this cable out. And we'll shift this back and forth. So let me get somebody else to kick that prop to double check it. So I'm going to shift this forward.
Alright. Moving prop clockwise.
It went in gear?
Yeah, it's in gear.
Okay. Okay, hold it. Can you spin it?
Yeah, that's pretty.
Okay. What about now?
That's reverse spin.
Okay, so that seems to go into gear in and out pretty smoothly, so it doesn't appear to be that. With shift cables, it's never 100%. I mean, just because you can shift it here on hand doesn't mean once you start and run the engine and you have load on it, it's gonna still be good. But that, oh, this cable's definitely, oh, even looking in here, you got a bunch of corrosion and stuff, I think, but it's probably still hooked up to the control box. So we need to come in here, get our 10 millimeter out. We're going to disconnect our shift so we can move this cable back and forth, and then I'm going to take this cable out, control box out of here, and see if I can't put this thing back together, and hopefully we'll be able to resolve this issue and get this thing back together. Looking back in here into where the cable's at, looks like I only got 2 zip ties right here, so I'm just going to snip those, and honestly I think we're going to be golden to just tie the new cable to this and then send it. What is that?
Perfect.
7/16 or half?
7/16.
Yeah. So then we just gotta have this one nut right there. Take that off and we'll slide that and slide the cable off there, and that's pretty much it for taking the cable off. Expired. I'm just glad that they use waterproof electrical tape. I'm sure this goes like that. Okay, I got you. I got it. Okay, so that's that. This is supposed to. Oh, that spins. Okay. So I'm pretty sure that that's all like that. But then there's still this. This right here, I believe, comes in Well, the ball, I know where the ball goes.
Okay.
I just got to get. So now we got a problem here.
Is she already backwards? Is that reverse? That's throttle.
Well, it should only go. It should only. It's got to throttle both ways.
This goes all the way through that wire right in here, and then of course that's not. Yeah, that hole goes all the way through, and there's a spot for it on that assembly.
Now it's just I got to figure out the spring, and then we got to make sure that the two shifts line up. And I
Will you
think.
change the shifts cables after? Or the,
Well, we got to get this thing back together, and then as soon as it's back
Change
together,
it?
yep.
Okay.
Because all the cables do is they're just two nuts right here.
Okay.
The
Look at that! There it is! It's fitting.
100 times better.
Look at that! And
Okay.
there it is.
Okay. I'm back. Okay, I got you. That's not a problem.
She don't over tight. That's awesome.
Give us throttle. That does throttle.
Yeah.
Shift. Neutral. That shifted. Reverse. That shifted. Reverse throttle.
Yep.
Is that what it was?
Oh.
That sounds solid.
No, it's not. It's still shifting.
Isn't that what it's supposed to be?
Not when you press this button.
Oh, that takes it in and out of gear, so you can rev it.
Mhm.
I can squirt you some too if you need.
Yeah, let's go on.
Take this.
Well, there's not much left in there. I just want to pull this piece off. I got it. Okay, so we finally got the control box back together. That only took us like an hour and a half, maybe two, but shifting all good. Now we just pull our cables through and we'll then hook it all back up and hopefully this thing is done. We got to take this thing here off because we're gonna go ahead and put the throttle cable as well. So just take this nut off, take the cable off of this section, and then we'll tape them together and pull them through. Yeah, dude, there's things. Probably exactly why it's never used, because it's like, I'm not pulling that out.
Depends on how drunk you are.
There's a school bus man down there though if you're gonna move.
It's just I got those back haunches are just raw. Great, but like, dude, that's and we sprayed it up
Forget about it.
like good electric thing.
Boats and stuff, because you're.
I like it. That's nice. Raw open blooms on his back legs. I'm not.
Nothing? Well, after some finagling and some adjusting and playing around with the shift assist and all that to adjust those cables, finally got it back together. Needs to have some more grease in here, but we are good to go. rocking and rolling. Pretty much just needs to clean the boat up and put it in the water now.